Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a modern SharePoint slides. So before I proceed further, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, when it comes to classic SharePoint site, you can go to site settings and under there you're going to get a link, delete this site. But what about modern SharePoint site? Because if I go to site settings from here, this is going to site contents and from there we'll navigate to site settings. I'm not gonna get that delete this list, and even these many links will also not appear, but I have activated some features, that's why. Fine. Now if I go and so what I'm gonna do, I'll go to site information. So here under site information, you have this hub association, name testing, and you can even go to the same page where I just took you. But yeah, it has got the link to delete also. So if you delete the test row, it will delete all test resources, including the site, files, conversation, calendar, etc. Okay. So yes. So you can, if you delete that, it will be. I don't have to because I just wanted to show you guys how to do this. So I hope you got an idea. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.